So I just got cut off. Perhaps I was saying things that somebody didn't want to be said. I don't know why, but my Facebook chat got ended. Maybe I just lost the signal, but usually when I lose the signal, I'm able to get back on. But this time, Facebook informed me you've been cut off. So anyway, I was saying, I'll just continue, that in my understanding, the CIA was responsible for putting in Saddam Hussein and fighting against Iran. They were behind that war. And then when Saddam Hussein got out of the CIA's control, they killed him. And they did the same thing with President Zia of Pakistan. They put him in power in first instance, and then when he refused to go along with their plan in Afghanistan, they killed him. So this is what's happening in the world right now. The CIA is trying to subvert good people or people who are patriotic, and the patriots are fighting against him. Fortunately, what's happening now is that the patriots, good people in Pakistan like Imran Khan, in United States like President Trump, and people in the American military also, like Pakistani military is also a lot of very good patriotic Pakistanis who are fighting against the Illuminati New World Order. So President Trump and the American military, good people in the American military, are also fighting against the Illuminati and the world order, so-called no world order. And they're winning. They're succeeding. They're making a lot of progress in this very, very, very difficult struggle. So I was saying the Shia-Sunni fight going on between Iran and other nations, or between Shias and Sunnis in Pakistan, the CIA is also behind that. Sunnis and Shias in Pakistan were not fighting and killing each other. There were fairly good relations. In Quetta, for example, I visited Quetta, and I know that in the past, Sunnis and Shias were not fighting each other the way they are now. That was done by the CIA and by the New World Order people. They created Sunni organizations which would then kill Shias, and they created Shia organizations which would kill Sunnis. And in this way, they increased the hatred between Sunnis and Shias. So the intelligent Sunnis and Shias should understand we're all Muslims, and we should not fight with each other. We may have some disagreements, of course. That's okay. But we are all serving the same Allah. We are all following the same Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So all Sunnis and Shias should struggle against this CIA-dominated program to create a struggle between Sunnis and Shias. So this was just the last little bit of my chat, which went on for a long time, because I was cut off. Perhaps I was saying something that somebody didn't want to be said, but I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to keep going. Anyway, I'll just see any more questions or comments. I'll try to answer. Ibn Raza says, you speak, continue. Yes, I'm just going to continue speaking. And Badha John says, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm pretty good health. Considering my age, I say I'm in good health. And I'm older than Pakistan. I was born before Pakistan was created. So I'm not young, but I'm in good health by Allah's mercy. By the mercy of God, I'm in quite good health. Javed Sipra says, love you, sir, from Pakistan. I love you too. I love Pakistan. I love Pakistan. Pakistan is the land of the pure. And I was told many, many years ago by a great Sufi saint, Pakistan da matlab hai, O Pakistan, jitthe hazuri pak, ude pak mein sahib de naal, Islami pak phir qaim kar denage. Pakistan is that pure land where the Holy Prophet and his holy companions will re-establish pure Islam. So that is why I love Pakistan. And what is Pakistan? Pakistan is the land of the pure. So Pakistani people must become very strong and pure and re-establish pure Islam, and then it will spread all over the world, inshallah. I really believe that's happening now. We are seeing the beginning of that Naya Pakistan. Not exactly the way some people say, but definitely pure Islam. What is pure Islam? Love. Pure Islam means love, truth, justice, what the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, established in Medina, that is now being established in Medina Sani, the second Medina, Pakistan. That is my belief. So I am a great lover of Pakistan for this reason. I really believe that Pakistan is the second Medina. Okay, I guess that's enough. I've had a long earlier chat, so this is a very short one, only a few minutes, but you can go back. I hope it will be posted on Facebook, my first part of my chat. Okay. May God protect us all. Allah Hafiz.